and I just want to document the flowers that are blooming right now. So we have daffodils and hyacinth, purple hyacinth, daffodils. More purple hyacinth. And I have 3 tulips. Sana matuloy ang pagbunga niya. Naku, may butas na naman dito. So, I think orange to. Orange. And then purple. And another purple. Another purple. Ang aking mga roses, hindi pa nagbubunga. And the lilies is starting to sprout. Another hellebore. The sedum, ito yung foxglove. And these are alliums. Mga sedum. And this one, the forsythia. Sana mag-yellow siya. Mag-yellow blooms. Forsythia. And we have small flowers here. Purple flowers. And hintay ko yung mga hosta na bago naming bili. Di pa nagsasprout. And these are daylilies, mayucaras. I really need to clean up. And the hellebores, ganda-ganda pa rin. 2 kinds. And that's the pulmonaria, kumapal na. Another euchera. And these are yellow irises. And then sedum. Yung rose, wala pa ulit. Ito. Aking mga peony. Starting to sprout. Itong rhododendron. Mukhang konti lang ang kanyang blooms this year. Natuyo. Those are peonies. And I need to clean up here. The rose. The lamb's ear. Ito I don't know what this is. Ano yata ito? Mums. And then I have to cut the hydrangeas. And yung mga irises na purple, sana mag-bloom sila ngayon. And this one is a small hydrangea. Hindi na siya makalaki-laki. And my rose. Sana tumubo pa. And this one is another rose. I really need to clean up para makita ko yung mga itsura nila. Yan, may mga tubo. But hindi pa sila masyadong maganda. See, I have to cut. It's supposed to be bleeding heart. And then daffodils. Aray ko. Ano naman mabubuhay ito? Oh, mukhang yun yung hosta ko. It's there. And I forgot what this is. Hydrangea. Hello, hydrangea. Then here, full of leaves. I have to clean up. Tapos yung daffodils namin, ang ganda-ganda. And here, Makara. Okay, back here. The Burberry. Ito yung mga forgot na boxwood and the phlox. Ito damo. Yan, bagong hydrangea nandun sa ilalim, tumutubo. And then this is the rose, mukhang namatay na ibang parts, pero tsaka ako na siya i-prune. There's another rose yellow, knockout, parang knockout yata yan. Tapos itong rose na to, hindi ko alam kung mabubuhay. And this one is my peach rose, mukhang buhay naman. These two are yung red na cone flowers. And then my euchara. This one, sana buhay. Ay, mukhang buhay naman. Hydrangea to. And then sedum na dark. And another hydrangea. Ito yung juniper namin, sana mabuhay. Still need to do the mulch. Ay naku, mulch. So ito, Shasta Daisy. Malabas na yung mga hosta. Si Sister Rosie or Sophie, I forgot. Wala pa siyang bulaklak. This one is hindi ko alam kung salvia. And then to, ginupit ko yung gumamela. Ito, clump. Pwede ko siyang pag-iwa-hiwalayan. Another salvia. Cornflower yata yan. And these are my peonies. Yung coral peonies na tinanim ko last year. Sana magbulaklak siya this year. And then mukhang may nili ako doon na laging kinakain. Dapat pala lagyan ko ng sprayan ko. Ito yung mga roses ko, sana mabuhay. And then here, yung mint. The mint. Cat mint. Mas makapal yung isa. Ito, nag-umpisa naman. And then another coneflower there. Okay, and daffodils again. Gupitin ko nga yung hydrangea sa dulo. Okay. My tulips have bloomed. So we have 5. 5 na ba? Tama, 5. Ayan. Purple. So, 4 na purple. Ayun pa. Lalaki pa siya. And 1 red ba yan? Or fuchsia? Fuchsia. Kaso umulan ng malakas. It rained so hard. Kaya nag-bend siya. But it was open kanina nung medyo mas maaraw. Ngayon, nag-close na siya. But I'm happy. At least, I think we planted that 3 years ago. 3 or 4 years ago. So, yan. Sana hindi makain. So, nisprayan ko yan last, I think, yesterday or 2 days ago. And binabantayan ko siya. And then look at our hyacinths. Ganda, ang dami. Ang dami doon. And merong isa doon natatakpan ng daffodils. So happy. I tried before to plant a pink hyacinth, pero someone or something dug the bulb, so hindi natuloy. So my pink hyacinths are still in the pots inside. Also the white one, which I bought na after daffodil season. So I haven't seen the flower yet. Kung white siya talaga, nakalagay lang white hyacinth. I bought from Acme, I think it was Acme. Alisin ko na to. Dami na namang butas. Hindi pa nag-green ang aming rose. I hope meron tubo sa baba. And also the knockout rose, medyo brown siya sa tuktok. I hope okay siya. And then I have to cut my lavender, small lavender. And our hellebore, kaya lumalaki na siya. I'm planning to move this kasi mas malaki yung ibang nandun sa kabila. Anyway, and my little rose, mukhang buhay naman siya. Okay, update on our flowers. And let's see what's in here. Oh, cherry blossoms. Meron na pala. Kahit konti, meron. Cherry blossoms. Kahit konti. Dapat mas madami kaso sobrang nahanginan. Ganda. Cherry blossoms. I'm just so happy with my tulips. There. 3, 4. 4. And 1 more is going to bloom. Ang ganda ng aking daffodils and hyacinth. So nice. Ang bango. Ito pa. Tatakpan siya dito. Ganda. Ganda. Good morning. It's April 11. And I just want to show I have 5 tulips. So 4 purple and 1, what do you call, red orange. So they just popped up for after 3 years. No, not 3 years. Last year 2 popped up, but then they were eaten, so they didn't have a chance to bloom. I think only 1. So now when I saw the buds coming up, I sprayed anti-deer every week. So I think that's why they survived. And it's wet. It's a wet morning. And look at our daffodils and hyacinths. Really pretty. Although they've been blooming for 2 weeks now. And our cherry blossom, konti na lang. It's not so bright. So this is the garden. I still haven't had a chance to clean. Maybe next week. So one of the hellebores also starting to grow. Okay, so I just wanted to show. That's why I went out. And our roses still haven't what do you call that, recovered. So I think I have to cut these brown stems. I think they were affected by the snow 2 weeks ago or last month. Okay, and this ones are what do you call it? Lilies, Asiatic lilies. They haven't come up yet. This one, I hope it will come up. And these are just stems. When I pruned the Montauk daisy, and some of the stems had buds. Most of the stems had buds. So I just stick them in the pot, hoping that they'll also grow roots. Okay, that's it for now. Also, I wanted to show one of our Christmas cactus bloomed, but it's just one bud there, the red one. And last Sunday, it's the white one, no blooms. Last Sunday, we went to Walmart and I saw this. I think these are Easter cactus. They're rounded. The other ones have pointed edges. This one's more rounded. So we bought this purple and light pink. And also we bought from Lowe's clearance sale for tulips, purple tulips and pink hyacinth. So I'll show them later on. So nice. And here is the what do you call this, the hyacinth. The hyacinths that we bought last Sunday. The flowers are going in all directions. They were on clearance from Lowe's. And this one is the purple tulips. So it's fully open because of the sun, the heat. There, so nice. And then my white hyacinth starting to sprout. This one, the tulips, I don't think they'll produce any flowers. And my pink hyacinths from last year, no flowers, maybe next year. Okay, that's my update. Oh, another update on the rose brought from Costco. I planted it here because they were getting, what do you call that, They were drying up. So I decided to plant it here first and then I'll take them out when I'm not busy anymore. Okay. It's middle of April, April 16. So this is my foxglove. I think it's going to flower this year. Already have buds there. I hope this will be the peach one. Yes. And then the lamps here. Ganda na nila. This forsythia. I don't know what's happening. It's not turning yellow. Ay, ay. And there, the plants are starting to grow. This is our hosta, the one we bought yesterday. And there's another hole here again. And then lily of the valley. I don't know what's happening to our fern. Should I just cut them? And this is the pulmonaria. Parang natutuyo. And then the hellebores. Nag-green na siya because the flowers are getting old. Pero dyan pa rin sila. And then the hosta. Even my patita. Kinagat. But I sprayed. So yung mga bagong tanim, mga bagong new leaves are coming out, but the old ones are already bitten. And this yellow iris, wala pang ano. And then our rose. I have to cut some of the branches. Mukhang patay na. And then our peony, medyo mas madami na siya, mas makapal. And the rhododendron, and siya nawala na yung ibang buds eh, but then new leaves are coming out of the old branches, so hindi ko na siya gugupitin. Another peony, and the rose. Yan, yellow rose. That's the yellow rose. Our lamps here. And then yarrow. Yan, medyo kumapal siya, kumalat. And then the rose. And what do you call that? Hydrangea. Itong rose na to, mukhang ito lang tutubo. This is the red one. I don't know if it's still alive. They say if you scratch it and it's green, it will still grow. Yun lang ang growth niya sa baba. And this is what do you call that? The mums. Where is my hydrangea? Ito, small hydrangea. Surviving somewhat. And then I really have to clean. Ito kinagat na naman. The what do you call that? Sedum. This one is our old the big leaf hydrangea. Hindi ko alam kung mag-ano pa siya. I have to clean. So many things to clean. Hydrangea again. This bleeding heart. Yan, kumapal na siya. Sana magtubo. And then our hydrangea. Yun, mukhang may tubo naman siya. Liit. then mga, what do you call this, our eucharis, different colors. Hydrangea, ayun, nasa ilalim ng tubo. And then our, what do you call that again? Our hosta, the one we bought last year. And here, yan, survive naman. Our euchara survive, but I have to clean. Clean. Cleaning is the key. And then here, I have to clean. Clean. And I have to spread. Our chips para mabawasan na yung nasa harap. Baka makomplain na kami. Okay, better start working. And it's windy. And that's the what do you call that again? I keep forgetting the phlox, creeping phlox. And this, I'll spread some mulch over here and clean first, of course. The hosta, the phlox, remove all those grass. And clean. From North Royalton, the gumamela, the hibiscus, and this is our salvia, kapal na niya. And here, that's a weed. This one is a peony, the coral peony. Oh, there's a frog. And I forgot what this one is in the middle. Mukhang namatay na yung mga ano ko. My rose cuttings did not survive the winter. They were alive when I planted it. This one is catmint. The other one is small. Okay. Catmint. And here, oriental lilies starting to grow. The rose, their hosta starting to grow too. This one and the other one and this one. Okay, I have to clean up. Start with the front first. And here pa pala, our Nantuck daisies. And then the tulips, old na siya, but they're still surviving. And our knockout rose and the peach rose. And this one, I forgot what this is. My rose cutting. Okay. Start cleaning. Such a beautiful day today. Afternoon. And it's so hot. So I'm staying on the shade. Under the shade, and planning to plant some plants. So this is the rose. Madami na siyang leaves, and that's the knockout rose. Knockout. So the tulips are getting ready or going leaving now. Leaving now. Tuyo na sila. So I have to remove or deadhead para they'll concentrate their energy on their bulb, so they will bloom better next year. And just wanted to show you, we bought hosta, Big Daddy hosta from Costco and bare root. So here are to get out of the plastic. Okay, hold on. There. So it has six what do you call this, bare root, 6 plants, supposed to be 6 plants. So I'll put them out and maybe plant first in a planter before we decide, until we decide where to put it or where to plant them permanently. Okay, so let's start opening it, see what it looks like. So it is sealed. Oops. And so you just open it from the top. It's wet. So we have here supposed to be 6 plants. Hold on. Okay, so 6 plants. Oops. Ah. So 6, supposed to be 6 plants here. Oh, so they're tied together, 3. I have to get a scissors, pair of scissors. Hold on. Oh, I cut the other one. Some of the roots. Oh well. And there is another one here. Another trio. Much smaller, I think. Be careful not to cut any. Okay. So there's supposed to be 3 plants here. 1, 2, and 3. Putol yung ibang roots. 1 here, 1. 2. Okay, so I guess have to plant them first in a pot to get them settled in. Maybe the 2 small ones in 1 pot. Maybe this big one in 1 pot. This one has a lot of roots. This one is the bigger one, biggest one. I don't know how to. Maybe that way it will straighten up. Okay. Okay, one down. You'll get another pot. Okay, this one is the next bigger one. There's another one. There's another of the hostas. Number 3. Number 4. So much roots. This is number 4. I hope they straighten up after. So this is number 5. cannot center it on the pot because the roots are crooked or bent. So number 5, and there's a small one left. This one, small one. And get another pot. So there they are, 6 plants. So they're supposed to be that big, blue-green when they grow big. So we don't know yet where to put it, and of course we have to protect it from all the deer and the rabbits and all that eat the plants, like the hosta. Okay, I go water them.